Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back. I am here with entry number 6 into my birthday challenge giveaway. This is from Toni, who is Craftpurge here on YouTube. Hi girl. So she submitted these entries and look how super cute. She did do a VR and I will link that up in the top right so you guys can take a look at that. She used the Santa Baby collection. She has these fun sequins in this package. So here is her memory dex card. How super cute is that? There is so much glitter on this and that makes me so happy. But look at this super huge die cut of this Santa. I think she said she cut this out of the paper collection. And this super cute gift box. And this bow is so tiny, but it's so adorable. She used a border die in the background here with some pink shimmer cardstock. This dotted star behind this super cute pink Santa here. And she used some chunky glitter where the parts are white. Love it. And this super cute little like tab that she sewed on with some gold thread. So thank you so much. I love it. She said for her craft style, anything pretty, LOL. And her favorite colors are glitter and pinks. So thank you so much, Toni. I love that. Here is the card that she created for me. I love how she decorated this envelope. It's a shaker, which makes me so happy as well. I don't know what type of tool this is, but it is very soft, but it has these glittery little dots on them. That's interesting. I don't think I've seen that before. And it looks like it has some Maggie Holmes flavor going on here. I love that she does stitching on her cards. I just forget to do it. But this super cute ostrich with the birthday hat. A little party never hurt nobody. That is so true. And then she has embossed "It's Your Birthday." This embossing powder is really pretty. There's some sparkle in it. So she just said, happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing birthday. Thank you for hosting this giveaway. I had fun creating for it. So thank you, Toni. And she is so super sweet. She sent me a little birthday goodie. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. I love anything personalized, and it looks like she used some vinyl. I have actually been playing with my silhouette, and this vinyl stuff is tricky. So it is so cute. It's with gold vinyl. It says Crafty Mimi. So adorable. Oh, and look on the inside, it says hand wash. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I believe she makes her own little confetti, which is so super cute. I just don't have the time to do that. But I love insulated cups because whatever I'm drinking, it just takes me forever. So if it's cold, all the ice melts and then the flavor's gone. Or if it's hot, it gets cold. So I love this. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you to do that. So this entry is again from Craftpurge, who is Toni. I will make sure to leave her link in the description box below if you guys have not gone over there to visit her channel. But thank you so much again, Toni, and I will see you guys in a next video with another entry. Bye, everyone.